forgot to put black lipstick. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are fine. Now, happy Valentine's week. Now this is going to be the third and the final video of our Valentine's Day series. As promised, this video is going to be a bit more extra. It is especially for my single ladies out there, including me. So I thought it would be really fun to do a creative makeup today. I've already done my skincare and my base is half done. I've used foundation, concealer and powder. Now I've already shared how do I prime my face before makeup and what is my basic base makeup routine. And I have used this foundation today to create this look. This is a very light coverage foundation. It is just like BB cream. Now I don't like to put a heavy coverage foundation on my face if I know I am going to put a lot of product on top of it. Now I am directly going to jump into my eyes and I will do the rest of my base later. And for that, first I am going to prime my eyelid. So I am taking a little bit of concealer. Now I will set it with a compact powder, and this is the Colourful compact powder. And now here comes the fun part. So as a first shade, I am going to pick this color and I am placing it on my, like, above my crease. Now after that, I am going to take this purple color. It's not actually a purple, but it's a grape color, and I'm going to put it under the first shade, but it's still above the crease. Now I am going to pick a smaller brush and I am going to use this shade on my crease. What I did while blending is whatever product was left on my brush, I drag it till here, like till my hairline. And now I'm going to do a cut crease, and for that I'm taking a little bit of concealer from my concealer brush, like the wand. I'm taking a little bit in this brush very carefully. Like if you look up like that, you would have that line on its own. Now it has some eyeshadow, so I'm gonna wipe it somewhere before I go in this eye. while cut creasing, after I put concealer, I like to go back in with the brush and I like to smooth the edge of the cut crease, otherwise it looks a bit disturbed. And now I'm going to lightly put some powder on top of the concealer so that it doesn't move and it can set properly on my lid. Now from this palette I'm going to put this shade first with the help of this brush, and before that I'm going to spritz it with some setting spray. And then I'm going to pick the shade and I will put it on the half of my lid. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. And now let's get back to the first palette, and from here I'm going to pick this royal blue color and I will put it on the outer part. And now I'm going to mix these two together. Now this is pretty much done. Now I'm going to do a bit of graphic eyeliner and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with the liner. Now I am going to put blush. I don't know if it'll go with the look, but I'm thinking of doing a sunset sort of look on my cheek. So for that, first I am going to take this yellow shade and I will put it just under, like here. Okay, and the next color is going to be this bright orange, like, can you see, like this one? And I am going to pick it with the same brush because I'm going to blend them together. So again I'm going with the yellow and I'm going to blend them together. Now it is very important to join these two parts together, otherwise it would look really bad, like disconnected. And the last shade is going to be this one. This is the one that I've used for my eye. And first I'm putting it on top of my nose. I love to have that red and vibrant pink nose. So I'm thinking of putting a vibrant color there. Okay, so for my nose, I am actually going to use this one, like just on the top of my nose, and for the rest of my face, I'm using this one. It's looking like an elf nose, like that. Now I'm again going with the bigger blending brush and I'm going on top of everything. Okay, it's well blended. I think I'm going to stop here, and what I have left is I need to put some lashes and I'm gonna put lipstick. I'll quickly put those and I'm gonna be right back soon. Alright, I was about to end this look, but then I realized freckles go really well with this kind of look, and fortunately I have a brown pencil and this is by Inshine and it looks very similar like the Miss Claire ones or the Swiss Beauty, I don't remember. So I am going to show you how do I fake my freckles. So I'm going to hold my pencil like that, and what I'll do is I will put it like that and I will make a circle, and it should give me a bit of color. And now on top of them I am going to go just like that a little bit so that they look a bit blended. Alright, that is it for today's video. Now this is not an actual makeup that you can wear on a Valentine's Day. It was more of a parody video. So this was my type of reply to all of you that you can really work on your creative side, like work on self-improvement in the period that nobody is literally caring for us. If you like it, do not forget to smash that like button, and if you like this face and want to see more from me, then please consider subscribing and hit on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, bye.